Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today. Before we begin, just a quick reminder, please check the description below after watching this video. I added helpful links, tools and latest updates there. If something changes or there is a new feature, I will update it in the description. So don't forget to look after watching this video. Now let's talk about how you can find the best YouTube video topic using VidIQ keyword tools. So sometimes we really want to make a video but we don't know what topic to choose. We just sit and think but no idea comes, or maybe we make a video but it doesn't get many views. That's where VidIQ keyword tools can really help. When you open VidIQ, you will see a keyword research tool. It works kind of like Google search but for YouTube's. You type a topic or word you are thinking about, and VidIQ will show you how many people are searching and also how hard it is to rank for that topic. This is really helpful because you can stop guessing. You can actually make smarter video topics that people are searching for. Now there is also something called related keywords or keyword. When you search on topic, VidIQ shows you similar topics. Sometimes those are even better than your original ideas. So you can discover new topics that maybe you didn't even think about. Another great thing is the search volume and competition score. VidIQ gives you two numbers. One shows how many people are searching and other shows how many videos are already made on this topic. So if many people are searching but not many videos are made, that's your golden chance. Also, if you go to the daily idea section, VidIQ gives you topic suggestions based on your channel type. These ideas are based on your data, so they are not random. And some ideas can go viral if you make them early. One more thing, when you search for keyword, VidIQ shows how many videos are ranking on that topic. You can click and watch those videos. So basically, using VidIQ keyword tool helps you to make better decision before making a video. It saves time and it gives you direction, and over the time it helps you to get more views and grow faster. So yeah, that's how I use VidIQ to find good video topics. And if you have not tried yet, I have added the link in the description. There is a free version so you can test it out and see how it works. Also, I will keep the description updated if any feature come. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like or comment. Let me know if you want more tips like this. I will see you in the next video.